So welcome back to TGO88. So we got 1000 hours today. Today is March 26, 2021. So how long does it take to get 1000 hours? So we made our first video about 9 months ago. This video was uploaded on June 6, 2020. This video is about unboxing a Cobra one-length iron. See? And our latest video was made a few days ago. It's about putting training aids. We uploaded this video on March 21st, 2021. So we got over 50 videos on our channel. So these are our videos. We got so many videos in the last 9 months, over 50 videos, and on average it takes about a month to get about 300 views. So we're just a brand new channel, so we still needs more subscriber. Let's see that. We got 1011 hours. Still a long way to 4000. So we need your support, guys, and to get this, if you want us to make more videos about golf equipment and experiments, please subscribe and watch our videos longer. Thank you for watching us, and always subscribe.